This is mushroom, and if you want to learn how to harvest them correctly and how to grow them correctly, you are in the right place. Mushroom require dark, cooler, and humid type of environment to grow very fast and very big. Let me show you how to harvest them first. Take a plate. Now grab your mushroom and give a twist. The mushroom hang from this type will get free and you are good to go. To grow mushroom, firstly we have to take mushroom spawns or mushroom seeds. For that you can order it from Amazon or you can buy it from local store. Here you can see our mushroom which is covered with polythene and a opening is there so that mushroom seeds can breathe. Mushroom seeds require any medium so they are carried in wheat, rice or millet grains. Let us learn the process of growing mushroom. Mushroom generally grow in wheat pipes, rice husk or millet pipes. But first we have to sterilize them. So let us sterilize, and the process of sterilizing is also very easy. Sterilization process is done because of presence of bacteria and fungus in this straws. So we have to add boiling water and we have to keep this straw for nearly half an hour so that sterilization process is done. Add required amount of this straws so that we can make our polybag ready. We have to keep our straws in this water until the water cools down. If you feel that your raw material is not enough, you can add more water and more straws to this. Nearly after half an hour, once your temperature cools down, you can drain out excess water and you have to spread this straws so that no amount of water is stored in it. Let me show you how. Take a similar container with lots of drainage hole in the bottom. If you don't have such type of container, then you can use any type of pot which have so many drainage hole. It will take 1 to 2 hours to drain all the water out. And after few hours, you can check your straws that they are not having much part of the water in it. Means they will feel wet, but they does not contain any water. Now these straws will make perfect type of climate which mushrooms require. Now take few polythenes as we will grow this mushroom in this only. Now the method of growing mushroom is layer by layer method. In this method we have to make layer of our straws and a layer of mushroom spawns. In simple words, you have to arrange these straws at the bottom, then again arrange the layer of this mushroom seeds or spawns, then again arrange the layer of these straws and go on continuously until your polythene get full. Now make sure that during this process you have to wash your hand or sanitize your hand so that this mushroom spawns does not get any affected by any bacteria or any fungus diseases. Now this is the important part. You have to arrange your mushroom spawns or seeds at the edge part of this polythene so that they can easily grow inside. The layering is done nearly 1 to 2 inches in height, and this method is very effective as it is widely used in growing mushroom. Now you have to do layer by layer method until your polythene get fill. Now press this polythene from top part so that it can get enough tight and no air pockets are left. Before pressing, tie a knot same as I am doing, and then you have to press it tightly so that no air pockets are left. Also the moisture present in these straws will remain inside as we have covered this polythene from all the side. Now tie the knot with the help of rubber band. Now with the help of a pencil you have to make few holes from where the fruit body or the mushrooms, oyster mushroom will come out. The second method is mixing mushroom spawns with the straws. In this method, we don't have to take care of layer by layer method, just we have to mix the mushroom spawns with this straw and fill it in this polybag. After filling in polythene, we have to apply same method, that is just tying the knot and removing all the air pockets and keeping it in the shady part or the dark room. Remember to make pencil holes so that mushroom moisture can come out. Now we will make the tagging so that in future we can know which method of polybag is which one. Also I will mention the date so that we can know our growth of mushroom day by day. After 6 days it's 12 and you can see the layer by layer method is growing mycelium. Means the layer which we have spread all over the polythene is growing and showing the white color. This white color indication means that the mushroom mycelium are growing very well in this and they are having the suitable type of environment. And also you can see the water droplet. It means the water holding capacity is also good. If you feel that water droplets are getting less, then you can add water just by spraying with any spray. Remember that you have to keep this polybag in cool dark type of climate so that no sunlight can get in connection with this, as sunlight can harm the growing speed of our mushrooms. Day 7, and I have to share one important point, that is you have to keep your mix away from rodents, that is mouse. They will eat all the mushroom spawns because they are actually grains. As you can see this live example how mouse has taken out all the mix of our mushroom mix. So this is the important lesson, that we have to keep our mushroom mix polythene away from any rodents, or we can place in any place where they cannot come. We have only one option, that is we have to rearrange our mushroom mix, but I don't think that this process will help as it has got air in connection, it means the mushroom mix is dried up, but we have to try. So we will just transplant this whole mix into a new poly bag and just cover it by just adding a little bit of moisture and hope for the best. After 15 days, here you can see my whole poly bag is white in color. This means that mycelium has spread all over the potting mix. This white color is the indication that our mushroom polybag is 100% okay and we will get mushroom soon, but other polybag is not showing a single sign of mycelium. We have to maintain moisture in our mushroom polybag. This is very important as mycelium will only develop when it get a little bit amount of moisture in it. So we can use pencil holes to spray water inside them and this will maintain your water level. Make sure not to overwater and keep this mushroom polybag in a dark cooler type of climate. This will help your mycelium to grow very fast. If by mistake you overwater your mushroom polybag, then make some drainage hole at the bottom and the water will pass away. After 17 days, the layer by layer method is looking so nice and healthy. Let me check my watch and here you can see the date, it is 24. It means exact 17 days. Let's have a closer look what is going on in both these polythene. Let's have a closer look. Here we can see layer by layer method is growing so very well. It is very tight in nature and also having a deep white color, means it is ready to produce its stems and also after stem the fruit will come. But in this condition we cannot see the mycelium growth, but some of the mushroom seeds has grown. Here you can see small sprouts of them, but they will not grow such big that we can harvest. Better to leave this polybag and not to invest any much time in this. So I'm keeping it aside and after this you will not see in this video. After 41 days, our mushroom polybag has attained the stage of spanning. That is, our media is turning into white in color. Now we can also see the small stems. This is the small life cycle of mushroom. In this diagram you can see, now we will see the fruit body or which will grow very fast and we can harvest them within few days. Here are the few benefits of eating mushroom. It decreases the risk of cancer, promotes lower cholesterol, protect brain health, source of vitamin D, stimulate healthier gut, support the healthier immune system. So don't forget to grow your own mushroom or purchase from a local store. Here you can see after 45 days my mushroom fruit body has grown so big. But actually it is not completely grown. It will take few more days to get mature enough and then we can harvest them. At this stage, we can keep our mushroom in bright location where it can receive maximum amount of light, which will help it to grow. Day 46 and mushroom fruit body is getting more bigger and bigger in size. Here you can compare it with my hands. You can maintain the moisture level just by spraying some water with any spray gun. This will make sure that your mushroom spawns are getting enough amount of nutrients and water. Now the thing is that if you want best quality or high nutrition value mushroom, then you can harvest them as early as possible. But I have to show this in video, so I am taking few more days so that it can get enough amount of its size. Here you can see our mushroom has grown so big in size. Here you can see some more mushroom stems. It means that we can harvest oyster mushroom nearly 3 to 4 times from a single polybag. Now let me show you how to harvest them. Take a plate and now grab the mushroom. You have to grab the whole mushroom and you have to give a small, the mushroom hang from this type will get released and you can now easily harvest them. We can add mushroom in our daily diet as they are rich in nutrients. Actually they are superfood. They boost our immunity. It generally decreases the risk of cancer. It increases the bone health. Mental health also get improved. It maintain diabetics and also improve the gut health. Also they are allergic free, vegan and rich source of vitamin D. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, hit like this video if you love it, and also do not forget to share this video to family and friends member. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.